How to report a Alamo Lost and Found item, and start the recovery process if you left something in a rental vehicle or at the return location. So, hello everybody, and welcome back. Today, we are providing you with the quickest way in order to do so. So, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So, we can use Alamo's Lost and Found online system. We can directly head over to their site. So, head over and type in Alamo Lost and Found page, their official site. Head over there. This is one. This is the one. You can just go over to their site, and this is the section. And this page will let you see participating locations that you have recently found the items for. You can just go over and look out for their lost returns website as well. And we need to go ahead and if your rental location is not listed, you will be seeing an option to submit a form. So here you can see all of the rental location here, rental locations. So if you can't find it, we'll be finding an option called click here. We can click on it to access a form. So this is the section we can look out for the customer support here. We have these sections. We can directly contact them or chat with them. Or apart from that, we can also look out for a form where we can provide in our details such as our name, rental agreement number, date and time you lost the item, detailed description of the item, etc. Or if you do not have the form, you can directly contact the customer support as well. We have the section for chat with us. We can click on it. And there we can just go over and fill out this form, like what is your help with, such as lost and found. After that, your first name and your last name, and the phone number and your confirmation number or the location. And click on this option called chat now. And you can submit the form and wait for the Alamos Lost and Found team to contact you about your item. That is usually the fastest and most official way for Alamo to begin searching for your lost property. Apart from that, we have phone numbers available. You can just go over and look out for this phone number and directly contact them. And there, just go over and provide your rental agreement number and details about what you have lost. And they will be providing you with assisting in forwarding your request. You can just go over and include a very clear and specific description of the item, and they should probably help you out. And that's it, everybody. You may follow this method for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.